Moin, moin, ladies and gentlemen, Donspektor here with another Donboxing. Today for you I have another keyboard, and I have the entire packaging here because I really like the way Keychron packs their keyboards. And yes, this is theoretically crowdfunded in quotes, because yeah, Keychron doesn't really make crowdfunding products. They just put their thing on Kickstarter and you can get it, I think, a few bucks cheaper than normally. And yeah, this is how they pack the keyboard. So this is all air bubbles, like long air tubes here, and that is a nice way to pack them, so it arrives safely all the way from China here. And we have for you today, wrong side, the Keychron K2HE. Yes, we have one of those keyboards that have Hall effect sensors inside, so they can work like a trigger. Basically, they know how far they are pressed, and nice to have here. Yep. They also have some wooden accents on the side. And because I've crowdfunded Keychron before, they also gave me a small artisan keycap here. So let's see what I got here. Okay, like this. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So I got this one. I think you were able to choose between like 3-4 different keycaps here. I don't think I choose this one finally, but it's cute. I don't mind it at all. This is similar to the SA profile here, and yeah, it's really cute. I don't think I have anything similar so far. My current keyboard, wait, let me quickly maybe show you. My current keyboard here, the Dygma Raise, I have a cheese keycap because I also like the cheese keycap. And yes, I need to clean it a bit, but I do like it. I like the more funky and fun looking one keycaps. And yes, this one should come with PBT keycaps, and I hope this is the German layout, because I have to admit, I'm not really good with the US layout. I have learned to write the German layout with 10 fingers, and that's what I can do, but not the US one. I don't know where the special signs are, and it's a bit tricky for me. And also, honestly, I don't know how you guys manage it, but the small enter key, really not a fan. I like the big chunky one where you can just hit it. Yeah, so here we have linear switches, Nebula. I don't think, did it even come with non-linear switches? I don't remember. But honestly, for the Hall effect stuff, it would make sense to be linear, because yeah, it would register the entire way of the key press. And yeah, that's how you open the box. Nice smooth opening mechanism here. Again, this shiny logo on there. We throw that out, and then protective film over the top. And the quick start guide. This is something I always enjoyed with Keychron keyboards. They give you a nice quick start guide that tells you everything you need to know. And there's also a few key combinations at the back. And I think they also tell you now, oh yeah, now you can use basically, I think, their web platform here to set yourself macros and stuff. Also like that. And let's first check out the accessories, what we get with our keyboard here. So we have a small screwdriver, we have a keycap / switch puller, and then some additional keycaps. And I think what's in here? Oh yeah, the USB-C cable. Okay, this is an angled USB-C cable, braided. It looks like it's 1.5 meters long, or 1 meter even, it's on the short side. And then let's check out the keycaps here. Okay, these are the Windows keycap. I think per default Keychron always gives you the stuff with the Apple key. Yep, here with a function one. And here this is the Bluetooth / 2.4 gigahertz dongle, I think. Okay, out you go. Let's get the star of the show out, the K2HE, and throw the box away too. Don't need you. That's the board here, and let's first check out the wooden accents here. Yep, I like those. This is polished. I think it's painted. I don't think this is actually like hardwood, but it looks nice. Like, I like these wooden accents here. Here you can choose if you want Windows, macOS, and here cable, Bluetooth, and 2.4 gigahertz. Here the port for the USB-C. That's why it's angled here, because you will plug it in on the side. And it's also slightly recessed, so big USB-C cables will not fit in here. But I've never seen a USB-C cable this big, so I think you should be fine with anything you like. The screws on the side here looks like it's standard hex, so that also should be easy to replace. The bottom here, Plastic, yes, but it definitely has a thick metal plate on the bottom somewhere. It has some heft to it, you know. I've had other boards that definitively lighter. And then we have two kinds of feet. The small feet here, small, and then the big feet below. I honestly don't like feet so far, like angled or tilted is the more correct word, like this one is. You can see I have the additional tenting kit they called it here with my Dygma Raise. Really like to type like this, it's really ergonomic, and if you get used to a 60% layout, and oh my god, the thumb keys, I love the thumb keys. But yeah, let's get this out. Let's come back to the actual thing. Okay, then let's come to the top here. Yep, this is again their own OEM layout that is similar to SA, I think. And this is, I think, PBT caps, but no shine through. So the backlighting that it has will be basically useless. Other than that, I do like the optic of these keycaps. This escape key here does not really fit the color of the wood here. I think maybe just going with black would have been better. Let me check if I have a black escape key. I have, so I can also change that later. But before I remove the keycap puller, let's check out one of the keycaps here. I directly get escape. Whoop. There's the escape key and sharpen camera. Yep. So you can see this is PBT and this is slightly textured as most of them. I think this is double shot as well, but it actually looks more printed when it's double shot. So I need to look that up, what it actually is here. The bottom here, plastic is medium thick on the outside here. Oh no, it is double shot here. You can see the white inside. Huh, okay, interesting. Yeah. Feels relatively good in the hand. And now let me do a bit of typing here. Sounds nice, I have to admit. I like that the space bar is similar in terms of tonality to the other keycaps here, and for smoothness, it's actually relatively smooth. I think it takes a bit more pressure to press than the standard MX Reds, that is unfortunately the only reference I have for linears here at the moment at home. I have another keyboard somewhere at the back that has MX Reds, and silent Reds I also have on store here. So honestly, this is relatively silent. I don't have my silent board here at the moment, but it has the problem with this metal plate at the bottom. It makes a pling noise when you let this go up. This one does not make that. And I do like the sound profile very much here. Something I'm not sure, and I find this is slightly odd that the top row here is a bit lower. Not sure how well that's visible. It's a bit lower in terms of height than it is the row one beneath. So the number row is a bit higher than the F row on top. That's a bit odd. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be or it is a bit strange. But yeah, other than that, I think that's the unboxing. Oh, there's a slight blemish here on the wood on the side. Okay, but no big deal. No big deal at all. Yeah, that's the unboxing. I do like this board just by optics and by sound so far. We need to try out the software and see how it is about the Hall effect sensors here, how well they're working. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, recommendations, or criticisms, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.